Meet the keyboard and mouse. Computers help us do many things like typing, drawing, and playing games. To use a computer, we need special tools called the keyboard and the mouse. Lesson highlights. Computer keyboard. Keyboard and mouse on laptop. Computer mouse. Computer keyboard. A computer keyboard allows you to enter letters, numbers, and symbols into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys and each key has a specific function. Observe the image of the keyboard with different keys marked on it. Alphabet keys. Function keys. Multimedia keys. Backspace. Delete key. Num lock key. Caps lock light. Shift key. Caps lock key. Spacebar. Number keys. Cursor control keys. Enter keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type characters, words and sentences. They are total 26 in number. Number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers from 0 to 9. The set of number keys present on the right side of the keyboard is called the numeric keypad. Double click. Subject enrichment. The alphabet and number keys together called alphanumeric keys. These are the primary keys used for typing text. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is used to insert space between words or other text elements. It is one of the most frequently used keys. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also known as the return key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Arrow keys. The arrow keys, also known as the cursor control keys, are used to move the cursor on the monitor. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard which can move the cursor up, down, right or left. Backspace key. The backspace key is used to remove any text on the left side of the cursor. Delete key. The delete key is also used to erase any text present on the right side of the cursor. Some more keys. Let us know about some more keys present on the keyboard. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type all letters in uppercase. When you press the caps lock once, the light on it is turned on. Now, the letters you type will appear in uppercase. When you press it again, the light is turned off. Now, the letters will appear in lowercase. Hands-on time. Experiential learning. With the help of your teacher, open Notepad. Press the caps lock key and type your full name in uppercase. Use space bar key to give space between your first and last name. Press the enter key to move the cursor to the next line and type your age. Use the backspace or delete key to correct any typing mistakes. Num lock key. The num lock key on a computer keyboard is used to switch the numeric keypad between 2 modes. Num lock key. When num lock is on, the numeric keypad is used to type numbers. When num lock is off, the same keys function as arrow keys, home, end, page up, and page down. Shift key. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard, one below the caps lock key and the other below the enter key. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard, one below the caps lock key and the other below the enter key. The shift key is used in combination with other keys in different ways. Shift plus number keys are used to type these symbols written on the number keys. Shift plus special character key. Type the character written on the top. The key. For example, Shift key plus, semicolon, key types, colon. Shift plus alphabet key. Reverse the case of the letters. If the caps lock is on, Shift plus alphabet key displays the letter in lowercase. If the caps lock is off, Shift plus alphabet key displays the letter in uppercase. Smart signal. When we press only Shift key on the keyboard, nothing will be typed on the monitor. Hands-on time. Interdisciplinary, EVS. Open Notepad and write the names of any 5 festivals in separate lines. Make use of alphabet keys, Shift key, and Enter key. Function keys. These keys are used for special functions. They are marked from F1 to F12. They are placed on the top of the keyboard. Multimedia keyboard. A multimedia keyboard is type of computer keyboard which provides a convenient way to control audio and video playback without using mouse. Some of the additional keys present on the keyboard are listed below. Keys for controlling multimedia playback, such as play, pause, stop, forward, and rewind. Volume control button. A mute button. Sleep and power buttons. Computer mouse. A mouse is a pointing device as it can be used to point at and select different objects on the monitor. You can also use it to draw pictures and play games. It has various parts as shown in the image. Right mouse button. Palm rest. Wire. Left mouse button. Scroll wheel. Double click. Subject enrichment. This is the first computer mouse. It was invented by Douglas Engelbart in the year 1964. It was made of wood. Mouse pad. A mouse should be placed on a mouse pad for easy access. It is used to protect the mouse from dust and damage. Wireless mouse. Usually a mouse is connected to the computer with a wire. Nowadays, people use a wireless mouse to work comfortably on a computer. It connects to the computer without the use of a wire. It is also known as a cordless mouse. The main advantage of a wireless mouse is that it can be used from distance. Tech Explorer. Exploratory learning. Observe your parents and see whether they use mouse pad or not while using the mouse. If not, encourage them to use mouse pad. Also, check whether they use wired or wireless mouse. Mouse pointer. The small arrow present on the monitor is known as the mouse pointer. The use of the pointer is to point and select pictures and options on the screen. Mouse pointer. Mouse actions. We can perform the following 4 mouse actions using a mouse. Click. When you press any mouse button, it makes a click sound. When you press left mouse button once, it is called single click or left click. This mouse action is used to select objects on the screen. Right click. When you press right mouse button once, it is called right click. This mouse action is used to open a shortcut menu. Double click. Pressing the left button to the MES quickly is known as double click. It is used to open an application, a file or folder. Hands-on time. Experiential learning. Place the mouse pointer on the recycle bin icon. On the desktop screen, click the left mouse button. It will select the icon. Now, when you click the right mouse button, it will open a shortcut menu as shown in the figure. Finally, double-click on the recycle bin icon. It will open the recycle bin window as shown below. Recycle bin icon selected. Recycle bin shortcut menu. Recycle bin window. Drag and drop. When you move the mouse pointer while keeping the left mouse button pressed, it is called dragging. It is used to move an object from one place to another on the screen. Releasing the object at a new place is called dropping. The entire process is called drag and drop. Hands-on time. Experiential learning. Left-click the recycle bin icon and hold the mouse button. Drag the mouse and take the icon to another location. Drop the icon to that location. Dragging the recycle bin icon. Dropping the recycle bin icon at a new location. Keyboard and mouse on laptop. Laptop keyboard looks like desktop keyboard, but it is built into the laptop. It is usually smaller and closer together, but it works just like regular keyboard. Most laptops do not have separate mouse. Instead, they have a touchpad. A touchpad is a flat surface below the keyboard that you can touch or slide your finger on to move the pointer. It also has 2 buttons, like a mouse, one on the left and one on the right. How to use the touchpad? You can perform the following actions using the touchpad. Moving the cursor. Slide your finger on the touchpad to move the cursor on the screen. Single click. Press the left button on the touchpad with finger. Double click. Press the left button twice quickly. Right click. Press the right button once with finger. Drag. Hold down the left button with one finger and drag the touchpad with another finger. Scroll. Place two fingers side by side on the touchpad and gently move them up and down on the touchpad surface. Show a computer keyboard to the students and help them locate different keys on it. Explain the function of all the keys on the keyboard. At this stage, they must be able to understand the function of each key. Take students to the computer lab and help them identify different parts of the mouse. Make students sit on the computer and practice all the mouse actions. Quick recap. A computer keyboard allows you to enter letters, numbers, and symbols into a computer. The caps lock key is used to type all letters in uppercase. The numlock key is used to lock the numeric keypad. The shift key is used in combination with other keys to type uppercase letters and symbols located above the number keys. A multimedia keyboard provides a convenient way to control audio and video playback without using mouse. A mouse is a pointing device as it can be used to point at and select different objects on the monitor. You can also use it to draw pictures and play games. Mouse has two buttons, left mouse button and right mouse button. It also has a scroll wheel in the middle. You can perform left click, right click, double click, and drag and drop actions with the mouse. A keyboard has a built-in keyboard. A laptop has a touchpad that works as a mouse. It is a flat, sensitive surface below the keyboard. The Knowledge Vault. Most keyboards have 101 or 104 keys. In the United States, most computer keyboards have either 101 keys or 104 keys. The former layout is used for standard keyboards, whereas the latter is used for Windows keyboards. Other countries use keyboards with different layout, which may include more or fewer keys. Christopher Latham Scholes. He developed the first practical typewriter in 1867 and subsequently the QWERTY keyboard, which is still the standard layout for computer keyboards today. Mouse function. The primary function of a mouse is to move the cursor on the screen, allowing users to select, click, drag, and drop items. It is a crucial input device for interacting with graphical user interface.